Intestinal health is fundamental to the overall well-being of the body. The intestine houses a vast community of microorganisms known as the intestinal microbiota, which plays a crucial role in food digestion, nutrient absorption, and defense against pathogens. There are various foods that can help promote intestinal health, each with its specific properties. Probiotics are one of the most important groups of foods for intestinal health. They are live microorganisms that, when consumed in adequate amounts, confer health benefits to the host. Foods rich in probiotics include yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, miso, and tempeh. These fermented foods help increase the population of beneficial bacteria in the intestine, improving digestion and strengthening the immune system. In addition to probiotics, prebiotics are also essential for intestinal health. Prebiotics are non-digestible food fibers that feed beneficial bacteria in the intestine. Foods rich in prebiotics include garlic, onion, leek, asparagus, banana, oats, and chicory roots. Consuming prebiotics regularly can help increase the diversity and activity of the intestinal microbiota, promoting a healthy intestinal flora. Dietary fibers play a crucial role in maintaining intestinal health. They are found in foods such as fruits, vegetables, legumes, whole grains, and seeds. Soluble fibers present in foods like oats, apples, and carrots form a gel in the digestive tract, helping to regulate blood sugar levels and reduce cholesterol. Insoluble fibers found in foods like whole wheat, nuts, and leafy green vegetables add bulk to feces and help prevent constipation. Short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs, are produced by the fermentation of fibers by intestinal bacteria and have beneficial effects on intestinal health. SCFAs such as butyrate, propionate, and acetate help maintain the integrity of the intestinal barrier, reduce inflammation, and provide energy to colon cells. Foods rich in fiber such as legumes, fruits, and whole grains promote the production of SCFAs in the intestine. Polyphenols are bioactive compounds found in plant foods that can also benefit intestinal health. They have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties and can influence the composition and activity of the intestinal microbiota. Foods rich in polyphenols include berries, green tea, dark chocolate, grapes, apples, and nuts. Regular consumption of these foods can help increase the population of beneficial bacteria and reduce the growth of pathogens in the intestine. Adequate hydration is fundamental for intestinal health. Water is essential for the proper functioning of the digestive system, helping to dissolve nutrients and facilitate their absorption. Additionally, water helps keep stools soft, facilitating evacuation and preventing constipation. Consuming an adequate amount of fluids daily, including water, teas, and broths, is crucial for intestinal health. Foods rich in magnesium are important for intestinal health, as this mineral plays a role in muscle function and intestinal motility. Foods such as spinach, avocado, nuts, seeds, and legumes are good sources of magnesium. Including these foods in the diet can help regulate intestinal transit and prevent problems such as constipation. Foods rich in zinc are also beneficial for intestinal health. Zinc is essential for immune function and for maintaining the integrity of the intestinal barrier. Foods such as oysters, red meat, chicken, beans, and nuts are good sources of zinc. Zinc deficiency can lead to increased intestinal permeability, known as leaky gut syndrome, and greater susceptibility to intestinal infections. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish such as salmon, sardines, and herring, as well as in flax and chia seeds, have anti-inflammatory effects that can benefit intestinal health. Regular consumption of foods rich in omega-3 can help reduce intestinal inflammation and promote a healthier environment for the microbiota. Foods rich in vitamin D are important for intestinal health, as this vitamin plays a role in modulating the immune system and maintaining the intestinal barrier. Dietary sources of vitamin D include fatty fish, beef liver, cheese, and egg yolks. Sun exposure is also an important way to obtain vitamin D, and deficiency of this vitamin is associated with a series of intestinal disorders. Fermented foods are an excellent source of probiotics and can help promote intestinal health. Kefir, for example, is a fermented drink made from milk or water, which contains a wide variety of beneficial bacterial and yeast strains. Regular consumption of kefir can help balance the intestinal microbiota, improve digestion, and strengthen the immune system. Miso, a fermented paste made from soybeans, rice, or barley, is another fermented food beneficial for the intestine. Rich in probiotics, miso can help increase the population of beneficial bacteria in the intestine and improve digestion. It is commonly used in Japanese cuisine, in soups and sauces. Sauerkraut, which is fermented cabbage, is a rich source of probiotics and vitamin C. The fermentation of cabbage not only increases the amount of beneficial bacteria, but also improves the digestibility of cabbage and the absorption of its nutrients. Consumption of sauerkraut can help promote intestinal health and strengthen the immune system. Kimchi, a traditional Korean dish made from fermented vegetables, is another excellent source of probiotics. It is usually made with cabbage, radish, and a variety of seasonings, including garlic, ginger, and pepper. Kimchi not only promotes intestinal health, but also offers a variety of nutrients and bioactive compounds that can have beneficial effects on overall health. Tempeh, a fermented soy product, is an excellent source of proteins and probiotics. The fermentation of tempeh improves the digestibility of soy and increases the availability of its nutrients. Tempeh can be used in a variety of dishes, such as salads, sandwiches, and hot dishes, and its regular consumption can help promote intestinal health. Whole grains are an important source of dietary fibers, which are essential for intestinal health. Foods such as oats, brown rice, quinoa, barley, and whole wheat are rich in soluble and insoluble fibers, which help regulate intestinal transit and prevent constipation. Regular consumption of whole grains can help maintain a healthy digestive system. Legumes such as beans, lentils, chickpeas, and peas are another excellent source of fibers and plant proteins. They contain soluble fibers that form a gel in the digestive tract, helping to regulate blood sugar levels and reduce cholesterol. Additionally, legumes are a good source of prebiotics, which feed beneficial bacteria in the intestine. Leafy green vegetables such as spinach, kale, and chard are rich in fibers, vitamins, and minerals that are beneficial for intestinal health. They help increase the volume of feces and facilitate evacuation, preventing constipation. Furthermore, these vegetables are rich in bioactive compounds that can have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects in the intestine. Fruits, especially those rich in fiber and water, such as apples, pears, oranges, and watermelon, are essential for intestinal health. They help keep stool soft and facilitate evacuation, preventing constipation. Additionally, fruits are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are beneficial for overall health. Nuts, such as almonds, walnuts, cashews, and pistachios, are rich in fibers, proteins, and healthy fats. They help regulate intestinal transit and promote a feeling of satiety. Furthermore, nuts are rich in antioxidants and other bioactive compounds that can have beneficial effects on intestinal health. Seeds such as chia, flax, pumpkin, and sunflower are an excellent source of fibers, proteins, and omega-3 fatty acids. They help promote intestinal health, regulating intestinal transit and providing essential nutrients. Regular consumption of seeds can help prevent constipation and promote a healthy intestinal microbiota. Tubers such as sweet potatoes, yams, and cassava are rich in fibers and complex carbohydrates that are beneficial for intestinal health. They help regulate intestinal transit and provide sustained energy. Additionally, tubers are rich in vitamins and minerals that are essential for overall health. Foods rich in antioxidants, such as berries, grapes, green tea, and dark chocolate, can help protect the intestine against oxidative damage. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals, reducing inflammation and promoting the health of intestinal cells. Regular consumption of these foods can help maintain a healthy digestive system. Foods rich in digestive enzymes, such as papaya, pineapple, and mango, can help improve digestion and nutrient absorption. Digestive enzymes help break down food into smaller components, facilitating their absorption by the intestine. Consumption of foods rich in digestive enzymes can help alleviate digestive problems such as bloating and indigestion. Foods rich in vitamin C, such as citrus fruits, kiwi, strawberry, and bell pepper, are beneficial for intestinal health. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps protect intestinal cells against damage and strengthen the immune system. Additionally, vitamin C helps in the absorption of iron, an important mineral for overall health. Foods rich in vitamin A, such as carrots, sweet potatoes, pumpkin, and spinach, are important for intestinal health. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining the integrity of the intestinal mucosa and for immune function. Regular consumption of foods rich in vitamin A can help protect the intestine against infections and inflammation. Foods rich in vitamin E, such as nuts, seeds, vegetable oils, and avocado, have antioxidant properties that can help protect the intestine against oxidative damage. Vitamin E helps neutralize free radicals, reducing inflammation and promoting the health of intestinal cells. Regular consumption of foods rich in vitamin E can help maintain a healthy digestive system. Foods rich in selenium, such as Brazil nuts, fish, meat, and eggs, are important for intestinal health. Selenium is a mineral with antioxidant properties that help protect intestinal cells against damage and strengthen the immune system. Including selenium-rich foods in the diet can help promote intestinal health. Foods rich in iron, such as red meat, beans, lentils, and spinach, are essential for overall health in the intestine. Iron is necessary for the production of hemoglobin, which transports oxygen in the blood. Iron deficiency can lead to anemia, which can cause fatigue and weakness. Adequate consumption of iron-rich foods helps maintain intestinal health and prevent anemia. Foods rich in calcium, such as dairy products, almonds, sardines, and leafy green vegetables, are important for bone health in the intestine. Calcium is necessary for muscle function and intestinal motility. Including calcium-rich foods in the diet can help prevent constipation and maintain a healthy digestive system. Foods rich in potassium, such as bananas, avocados, potatoes, and spinach, are important for intestinal health. Potassium helps regulate fluid balance in the body and muscle function. Potassium deficiency can lead to problems such as muscle cramps and constipation. Adequate consumption of potassium-rich foods can help promote intestinal health. Foods rich in folic acid, such as leafy green vegetables, beans, lentils, and avocados, are important for overall health and the intestine. Folic acid is necessary for cell production and immune function. Folic acid deficiency can lead to anemia and digestive problems. Adequate consumption of folic acid-rich foods helps maintain intestinal health and prevent anemia. Foods rich in vitamin B12, such as meat, fish, eggs, and dairy products, are essential for intestinal health. Vitamin B12 is necessary for the production of blood cells and nervous function. Vitamin B12 deficiency can lead to anemia and neurological problems. Adequate consumption of vitamin B12-rich foods helps maintain intestinal health and prevent anemia. Foods rich in vitamin B6, such as chickpeas, salmon, potatoes, and bananas, are important for intestinal health. Vitamin B6 is necessary for the production of neurotransmitters and protein metabolism. Vitamin B6 deficiency can lead to problems such as irritability, depression, and anemia. Adequate consumption of vitamin B6-rich foods helps maintain intestinal health and prevent anemia. Foods rich in vitamin B1, such as pork, sunflower seeds, peas, and brown rice, are important for intestinal health. Vitamin B1 is necessary for carbohydrate metabolism and nervous function. Vitamin B1 deficiency can lead to problems such as fatigue, irritability, and digestive issues. Adequate consumption of vitamin B1-rich foods helps maintain intestinal health and prevent anemia. Foods rich in vitamin B2, such as dairy products, eggs, meat, and leafy green vegetables, are important for intestinal health. Vitamin B2 is necessary for energy production and cellular function. Vitamin B2 deficiency can lead to problems such as fatigue, irritability, and digestive issues. Adequate consumption of vitamin B2-rich foods helps maintain intestinal health and prevent anemia. Foods rich in vitamin B3, such as meat, fish, nuts, and seeds, are important for intestinal health. Vitamin B3 is necessary for energy production and cellular function. Vitamin B3 deficiency can lead to problems such as fatigue, irritability, and digestive issues. Adequate consumption of vitamin B3-rich foods helps maintain intestinal health and prevent anemia. Foods rich in vitamin B5, such as meat, fish, eggs, and avocados, are important for intestinal health. Vitamin B5 is necessary for the metabolism of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Vitamin B5 deficiency can lead to problems such as fatigue, irritability, and digestive issues. Adequate consumption of vitamin B5-rich foods helps maintain intestinal health and prevent anemia. Foods rich in vitamin B7, such as eggs, nuts, seeds, and fish, are important for intestinal health. Vitamin B7 is necessary for the metabolism of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Vitamin B7 deficiency can lead to problems such as fatigue, irritability, and digestive issues. Adequate consumption of vitamin B7-rich foods helps maintain intestinal health and prevent anemia. Foods rich in choline, such as eggs, meat, fish, and nuts, are important for intestinal health. Choline is necessary for the production of neurotransmitters and cellular function. Choline deficiency can lead to problems such as fatigue, irritability, and digestive issues. Adequate consumption of choline-rich foods helps maintain intestinal health and prevent anemia. Foods rich in inulin, such as garlic, onion, leek, and asparagus, are important for intestinal health. Inulin is a prebiotic fiber that feeds beneficial bacteria in the intestine, promoting a healthy microbiota. Regular consumption of inulin-rich foods can help improve digestion and strengthen the immune system. Foods rich in beta-carotene, such as carrots, sweet potatoes, pumpkin, and spinach, are important for intestinal health. Beta-carotene is an antioxidant that helps protect intestinal cells against damage and strengthen the immune system. Adequate consumption of beta-carotene-rich foods helps maintain intestinal health and prevent anemia. Foods rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, such as spinach, kale, and broccoli, are important for intestinal health. These antioxidants help protect intestinal cells against damage and strengthen the immune system. Adequate consumption of foods rich in lutein and zeaxanthin helps maintain intestinal health and prevent anemia. Foods rich in anthocyanins, such as berries, grapes, and eggplant, are important for intestinal health. Anthocyanins are antioxidants that help protect intestinal cells against damage and reduce inflammation. Adequate consumption of anthocyanin-rich foods helps maintain intestinal health and prevent anemia. Foods rich in flavonoids, such as green tea, dark chocolate, and citrus fruits, are important for intestinal health. Flavonoids are antioxidants that help protect intestinal cells against damage and reduce inflammation. Adequate consumption of flavonoid-rich foods helps maintain intestinal health and prevent anemia. Foods rich in catechins, such as green tea and dark chocolate, are important for intestinal health. Catechins are antioxidants that help protect intestinal cells against damage and reduce inflammation. Adequate consumption of catechin-rich foods helps maintain intestinal health and prevent anemia. Foods rich in quercetin, such as onions, apples, and broccoli, are important for intestinal health. Quercetin is an antioxidant that helps protect intestinal cells against damage and reduce inflammation. Adequate consumption of quercetin-rich foods helps maintain intestinal health and prevent anemia. Foods rich in resveratrol, such as grapes, red wine, and peanuts, are important for intestinal health. Resveratrol is an antioxidant that helps protect intestinal cells against damage and reduce inflammation. Adequate consumption of resveratrol-rich foods helps maintain intestinal health and prevent anemia. Foods rich in lignans, such as flax seeds, chia seeds, and whole grains, are important for intestinal health. Lignans are fibers that help feed beneficial bacteria in the intestine and promote a healthy microbiota. Adequate consumption of lignan-rich foods helps improve digestion and strengthen the immune system.